In the next part, C-2, let us look at drawing the shadows of the solids. First we'll look at cubes and cuboids, then we'll move on to prisms and pyramids. So first, the question reads, a cuboid of base 3 by 3 centimeters and height 6 centimeters is placed 10 centimeters away from VB and on HP. So in plan we'll be seeing a 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter block, height of 6 centimeters, and this is placed at 10 centimeters away from the vertical plane, and it is on the HP, so the base of the object touches the ground line. So to draw the shadow of this, we will begin by drawing the 45-degree lines. So we see that light is coming from here, and point A, D and B receive the light. So we'll draw the light rays from that. Okay, and in elevation we are seeing the front face AB, AB and A dash B dash. So from the top of the object we'll draw the light rays. Right, so now, as the usual process, the elevation intersects first, so we take the verticals down, so we get 1, 2 and 3 intersection points. Since the object is kept on the base, we know that the shadow starts from the base of the object, right? So starting from D, we go all the way up where now the light ray coming in from A and D are seen in elevation, so it is the same light ray that is from A dash will be shared by point A and D, right? So from here comes out straight, this way is down and then loops back to B. So you see B dash and B intersect and reach here. Okay, so this is the shadow of the cuboid. So in the next question we'll be looking at a cube of 4 centimeters placed 2 centimeters away from the vertical plane and 4 centimeters above the horizontal plane. So in both plan and elevation we're seeing a square. I've named them as A, B, C and D. In the elevation we'll be seeing the front surface AB and A dash B dash. So to draw the shadow of this, we will follow our usual procedure of drawing the 45-degree light rays. So like we did in this previous question, the first 3 points which face the or receive the light rays will be projected out. Right. Okay. And similarly, since the object is raised above the ground, here we will also have to bring the light rays from the bottom of the object. So let's start drawing the light rays downwards. Okay, ideally do it one at a time so that there is no confusion. Okay, so from point A we see this light ray and these light rays both are going. So the one coming in from elevation is cutting first here. Okay, so let me just zoom in to the question. Yeah, so this line light ray intersects the ground plane first, so we draw the vertical. In the second case where it is B in the plan as well as elevation, let us take that down. So one point is here, right? So now the line or the light ray going in from D cuts the ground line first. Since A and D are in the same straight line in elevation, D is behind this point A. So we'll be using this light ray. So draw the light ray up from the point that intersects the light ray that intersects at D. Okay, so from D intersects and then goes above. So we have this as one more point, and then A, B, C, and D. So for point C, we'll be taking this line and this line. Similarly, we'll draw a light ray up from here. Okay, so let us mark the points now. A comes in here, so intersect. So point C is actually point A in of the shadow. So B comes up from here, comes down from here, intersects here. So this is point B. D and D coming down from here is here, and then B, or C rather, C coming down from here and C coming down from here. So this is the base of the object that we are seeing, right? So this is the base of the cuboid. Now if we have to draw the top four corners of the cube, then when we take the light rays from above, right, now this intersects with this B tab. Okay, so we have two light rays similarly coming in from the top of the object. So for this, we'll again go back to A and B, since it is the same points that we refer for the bottom of the cube as well as top of the cube. Okay, like we took for A and B in a straight line. Similarly, A and A dash are in straight line from above or in plan. So now this and this intersects. This point also becomes point A dash. So B goes up and this becomes B dash. Okay. There are a lot of overlapping points in this, so it might confuse you. So I will also name the points so that it is easier. Let us also finish drawing the D and C points and then go to naming them, right? So I'll extend these lines up, since D again and D and A dash will be taking up the same lines. So this and this intersects first, so we have to extend this up. So this point is now D dash, and C, so C dash comes as an extension of this, right? So C going up from above, C being behind B or B dash, we use this light ray. So this is point C dash. So I've drawn the points and named them in different colors in plan, elevation, as well as in shadows. I have additionally drawn a cube in isometric view and named it, so it will help you visualize better. So all the points have been marked now. So let us start drawing the shadow. Okay, so first let us take up the line AB. So from A to B is the horizontal line here, then B goes towards B dash. So remember how the vertical line casts a shadow first on the horizontal plane, then intersects at the ground line, then goes up to join the point B dash as a vertical. So from B dash will be going to C dash, right? So from B dash to C dash is a straight line directly casted. So then from C dash we are coming back to D dash, which is again a flat horizontal line. Okay, so from D dash down to D is again a straight line. Okay, so from D dash to A dash is a line perpendicular to vertical plane and parallel to the horizontal plane. So it first casts a shadow on the horizontal plane, intersects with the ground line, then turns towards D. So we are coming in the reverse order, intersection and then to point A. Okay, so this is the shadow of the cube. Okay, the parts that are behind the elevation, you need not darken them, you can only darken this and leave it. So we drew the shadow only for D dash, D to A to B, B to B dash, B to C dash and C dash to D dash, right? So the outermost frame that receives the light. Hopefully this is clear. It's a little complicated given that the points here and here are overlapping, but look at them as independent lines that are parallel and perpendicular to the respective planes, and recall how we had drawn those lines from the line problems, so it will be relatively easier. I'm leaving another problem. The object is the same, a 4x4 cube, right? Only the position of the object has changed as per the VP and HP. Now it is 1 centimeter above the horizontal plane instead of 4 centimeters as in previous question, and 3 centimeters away from the horizontal plane instead of 2 centimeters. So look how different the shadow is from the previous question. So try and solve this by yourself.